EVVA EPS slider version. There we go. Right. And I've already taken the back piece off because this one is a huge pain in the neck. So the tail piece just sits there. The circlip or whatever. Okay. There's nothing particularly interesting in there. There's the two little lanes. Maybe some drill protection down there. There's a spot for the inactive sidebar that's just for key control. And here's the sidebar for the sliders. And the sliders are spring-loaded. And boy, are they ever. Springs, so you gotta watch out for those guys. I'll leave the springs in. Okay, what we have here are 5 sliders. You can tell they each have a false gate. Maybe I can zoom again. Oops. To make sure I've got that lined up right again. There we go. See the false gate there on the bottom. This one I think I got pretty fortunate because only one of these do I ever actually have to go past the false gate to get to the true gate. The rest, the first gate is the true gate. Although that means that in learning to pick and oversetting was a pretty big problem. But anyway, have a EPS slider version, and there it is.